What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how I made a little over $2,000. This company called $25dollar1up. But before I do that, guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. This company called $25dollar1up was able to generate $2,500 with this company. Instant commissions. I did not have to wait to get paid, guys. It was directly to my PayPal, Cash App, or my Google Pay. I have all of those processes set up. You can get paid through different ways, Stripe, whatever you desire to get your commissions through. You could use that process, and it's instant. So we get paid daily. We don't have to wait. Now what we're doing is sharing an automatic system that pays us 100% commission, 25, 100, 250, 500, and $1,000 per referral. One of almost the best compensation plan that I've seen. It's 100%, and it goes all $1,000 per referral. And once again, these are instant payments. And you're not only just getting paid from this system, you're also getting a lot of tools and resources. Let me come out of here and go into my back office and show you exactly what I mean. If you come in here at the gold level, which is the $25 level, you can see what you get in, guys. You can see all of the training that you would get. You get pre-written ads, all type of pre-written ads, guys. If you don't know if you're truly a beginner to making money online, these work. You can put these in your emails. You have email swipes in here. You have pre-written ads. You have Facebook group cheat sheets, 50 ways to promote any business. You get mindset training, and you basically just get the shortcut when it comes to being a newbie at a lower level, $25 to come in at that gold level. And you're also eligible to earn $25 once you refer somebody to this level with this company. The next level is the platinum level. It's a one-time fee of $100. You also earn 1% commissions of $100. So it's best to come in at the gold, get the gold and the platinum, so you're able to earn those two commissions. Because when people join this business, they either come in at the gold or the platinum, or they just get both, so they don't have to, pass up any commissions. Because if you come in at a lower level and somebody joins at a higher level that you're not eligible to receive, that commission get passed up above you. So just make sure that you just go ahead and do, the gold level and the platinum level. Then you also have the diamond level, which is the one-time $250, and you earn $250 commissions, and you get multiple things and tools and resources with this level right here. And you also get the enterprise level, which is the $500 level. You just basically get more training, more resources, more tools, more things that can help you make bigger ticket commissions. So now once you reach the diamond level, the enterprise, and the elite product level, you are basically setting yourself up to win every single day with just one sale. Even the platinum level, $100 a day is not bad at all, guys. But from the diamond level to the elite level, those teach you how to sell high ticket products. So if you to this business and you want to learn how to sell high ticket products where you can earn $250 per referral, $500 per referral, $1,000 per referral, all 100% commissions. You don't have to, wait to get paid. Then this is the company for you. And as you can see, you get so much training in this back office. You get Facebook training, you get YouTube training, you get Instagram training. You learn how to, edit sale pages. You get a lot of things when you come into this business. You also get done for you websites. And what I do is take these websites right here, and I capture my leads and my emails. So here are some done for you websites that they have already made for you. When people ask for more information, you share these websites with them, and inside of this website is a done for you presentation of this company, what it does, how you get paid, what are the products behind the scenes when it comes to, using these capture pages. It does the telling and the selling for you. And also what it do is build you an email list. Okay, it builds you an email list, and what you can do with these emails, with these people that come in, that is interested in your business. You could email all of these people, and as you see, I have a lot of people that's interested in this business, and all you have to do is email them. You can download them, add them to it, like your Aweber. You can add them to your GetResponse, whatever email marketing system that you may use. You can download all of these leads and use them, or you can use this system itself. It has its own email autoresponder with its inside of this system. Without you having to send out an email, it does it for you. And then you also could go in here and create a message and send it to everybody that you would like to. So let me come over here and show you guys some type of proof that I've been making money with this company. I know you guys been waiting, so let me get to it. Come over here to my business, and I'm gonna go down to commissions. As you can see, $2,500 made with this company, and you can just see all of the commissions: 25, 100, 25, 100, 25, 25, 25, which, you know, all of these add up, guys. Those $25 commissions add up. You need 4 of those a day that can help you reach $100. It's not hard once you get into the system and see what we're actually doing, and you get the training. It teaches you how to promote this business. It gives you all of the tools and the resources that you need to be successful with this business, with this company. And it's just one of those things, guys, where it's easy. You see all these commissions just coming in. These are instant commissions. I don't have to wait to get paid. These came straight to my PayPal, Cash App, Google Pay, and we show you how to set your system up, show you how to put your process in, how you receive your payments, and just take the pre-written ads like I showed you, and you take a pre-written ads and you just share them. Say you don't have any proof. Let's say you just want to come over here. You can come use your members testimonial page, all right, and share with other people that you could show that other people are making money, and you could use this as leverage. And put this into like a slide, or take a picture at a time, post them daily. Let other people see that you're not the only one, promoting this business, and other people are getting paid with this. Look at this. These are different testimonials that you could use in your social media. You have Instagram that you can use. You have Snapchat. You have YouTube. I'm on YouTube right now. My video is on YouTube. So you have a lot of different platforms that you could use to share this system with. So if you know somebody who already has a business, if you already have a business, you could use this system to make more sales with your existing business as well. Because you could just use the training, you could use the email swipes, you can use the resources that we have. Like, it teaches you a lot of things inside the system that you could use for your existing business. So once again, that's how I made money with it, by just sharing this on, different social media platforms. On Facebook, you have different Facebook groups. It comes down to just sharing this automatic system with other people. Like I said, you have YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Craigslist. And once you join my business, I show you all of the methods that I use. I even have some videos. I have some videos on my channel already with some of the training that helped me get to where I am now. And the reason I say that, I've been a part of this company for over 2 years, and it still makes me money. So that's why I'm sharing that it's working. So I'm gonna keep promoting the business. I'm gonna keep promoting this system, because people need this stuff. People wanna, make money online. It's a lot of people never heard of $25.1up. So all you have to do is take this system, take the training, take the pre-ran ads, use them, okay? Use what's inside the system, share with other people, and earn instant 100% commissions. I don't know about you, but me, I think that earning money every single day is helpful, it's useful. You might have problems, you might have a bill, you might have, life just get in the way. So you having the ability to earn money every single day help you. So that's really it. Some information will be below. Check it out in the description, or wherever you're watching this video. Make sure that you just click that link and get started. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also click that bell. Other than that, I'm out.